Brown versus Board of Education is a landmark case that ended legal segregation in education and resulted in substantial increases in graduation rates, college attendance, and economic power for Black students and other students of color. One of the reasons that school integration has been successful is that it addresses the dramatic racial disparities in educational conditions, such as funding and resources. Yet the work of Brown is still not done 70 years later. Due to a variety of factors, including Supreme Court decisions that limited the implementation of Brown, state prohibitions on race-conscious policymaking, and entrenched housing segregation and redlining, students are as racially segregated today as they were in the late 1960s. Since its inception, Public Advocates has been working to make the promise of Brown real. More than 50 years ago, we fought and won a landmark school funding equity case that paved the way for the local control funding formula, one of the country's most progressive school funding formulas designed to close opportunity gaps through equitable funding. 24 years ago today, we filed the Williams class action lawsuit with our partners, which established for the first time that students have a right to prepared teachers, updated and accurate instructional materials of their own, and clean and safe facilities and a complaint process to enforce those rights. Currently, we are advocating to transform California's school facility funding system, which denies students of color in low-wealth districts the basic facilities they need for their education: air conditioning, the absence of leaky roofs or black mold, functioning labs, space for mental health providers and special education services, and more. In addition, we are working side by side students, families, and educators to close racial equity gaps by implementing a community school model in highest need schools, supporting implementation of programs that shift resources from criminalizing students to supporting them, especially Black students, and advocating for diverse and prepared educators that reflect the diversity of students in California.